Hi friends, it's me, Miss Erin from C.C. Mellor Memorial Library, here for one last book from the Picture Book Children's Choice Awards. So, it is almost the end of the school year. In fact, when you're watching this, your school year might already be over. So, because of that, we're going to wrap up the Picture Book Children's Choice Awards that I've been filming this year. But I want you to know that there is lots and lots of stuff coming up this summer that you can still keep watching. You can still keep watching us do a family story time every Tuesday. There will be lots of other events on our Facebook page. This year we are taking part in the ACLA summer reading program for all of the Allegheny County libraries. And so there will be links to lots and lots of other things going on. Interviews with museums and parks and cool things that other librarians are doing. So take a look there, see what you can find, and don't forget to track your reading this summer too. So if you go to our library's website, C.C. Mellor Memorial Library, it's ccmellorlibrary.org, you can see what we have going this year for the summer reading program. You can sign up to track your reading on Beanstack, which is an app that you and your family can sign up and track your reading all together. So if one person in your house reads a book to lots of people in your house, then that book counts for everyone who heard it. So there are age groups for adults, for teens, and for kids. We're also going to have some kits that you can check out. Actually, kits that you get to grab and go when you do your curbside pickup from the library. So starting Monday, when our summer reading program starts, you're going to be able to call the library and ask us to pull some books for you and your family to check out. And when you come to pick up those books, we'll have a table in the lobby of the building where you can pick up your books, and we'll also have some kits that you can take and do a fun activity with your whole family. So I hope that we will see you back at the library building soon. And until then, we've got one more story for you. Are you ready? So, it's the Picture Book Children's Choice Awards. That means we have to start with a joke. Let's start with a joke. My jokes today are about swimming. You ready? You ready? Why can elephants swim anytime they want? Why can elephants swim anytime they want? Because they always have their trunks on them. I got you, didn't I? All right, let's look at our last book together. Today's book is called Jabari Jumps, and it's by Gaia Cornwall. You see Jabari up here? He's gonna jump off the diving board. Jabari jumps. Here he is, getting ready to go swimming. He's got his trunks. I'm jumping off the diving board today, Jabari told his dad. Really? Said his dad. The diving board was high and maybe a little scary, but Jabari had finished his swimming lessons and passed his swim test, and now he was ready to jump. I'm a great jumper, said Jabari, so I'm not scared at all. Jabari watched the other kids climb the long ladder. They walked all the way out to the end of the board, as big as tiny bugs. Then they stood on the edge. They spread their arms and bent their knees and sprang up, up, up. And then they dove down, down, down. Splash. Looks easy, Jabari said. But when his dad squeezed his hand, Jabari squeezed back. Jabari stood at the bottom of the ladder. He looked up. You can go before me if you want, he told the kid behind him. I need to think about what kind of special jump I'm going to do. Jabari thought and thought. Jabari started to climb, up and up. This ladder is very tall, he thought. Are you okay? Called his dad. I'm just a little tired, said Jabari. Maybe you should climb down and take a tiny rest, said his dad. A tiny rest sounded like a good idea. When he got to the bottom, Jabari remembered something. Oh, I forgot to do my stretches, he said to his dad. Stretching is very important, said his dad. I think tomorrow might be a better day for jumping, Jabari said. They looked up at the diving board together. It's okay to feel a little scared, said his dad. Sometimes if I feel a little scared, I take a deep breath and tell myself I am ready. And you know what? Sometimes it stops feeling scary and feels a little like a surprise. Jabari loved surprises. Jabari took a deep breath and felt it fill his body from the ends of his hair right down to the tips of his toes. Jabari looked up. He began to climb. Up and up and up and up until he got to the top. Jabari stood up straight. He walked all the way to the end of the board. His toes curled around the rough edge. That pool looks really far away. Jabari looked out as far as he could see. He felt like he was ready. I love surprises, he whispered. He took a deep breath and spread his arms and bent his knees. Then he sprang up, off the board, flying. Jabari hit the water with a splash. Down, down, down he went. And then back up. Whoosh! Jabari, you did it, said his dad. I did it, said Jabari. I'm a great jumper. And you know what? What, said his dad. Surprise double backflip is next. That's the end. Thanks for reading so many of the Picture Book Children's Choice Awards books with me this year. I am so happy that we got to share some books together, even when we couldn't be in the same room together. So I hope that you will check out the summer reading program this summer, and I hope that we will see you very soon. Before we go, one more joke. All right, let's do it. One more joke. I brought my book back to the library, so I have to look on the iPad today. All right. What did the ocean say to the beach? What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing. It just waved. Get it? Ocean waves. All right, let's do one more wave. Goodbye, friends.